Good morning. This is my Leatherman Wave Plus. It's a good tool and I like it, but unfortunately it's a little bit chunky and heavy. Carrying it in your pocket the whole day can get tiring. So I've been looking around for a smaller and lighter alternative. So today we're going to take a look at the SOG PowerPint multi-tool. I've been hearing good things about this multi-tool, so I figure that this just might be what I need. So at the back it shows the tools. So we have the multi-tool. So it's got this black paint finish, so not black oxide, which would have been better. But it doesn't look bad. My concern really is the wear, so it might chip off or flake off. So we have here the pliers, so they're fine tipped and very precise. No play. So we have the tip, the bolt gripper, and then the wire cutter and a crimper here. It features SOG's compound leverage system, so the force is not directly from the handles to the head, but rather from the handles to this point here, and then to this point over here, before going to the pivot point here, and then to the head. So supposedly it improves the gripping power of the pliers, but the disadvantage is that the opening of the handle is not directly proportional to the opening of the head. So as you can see, I have my handles wide open already, but the head is not as wide. So that's the price you pay for the stronger gripping power. It's got a clip, it's got SOG branding, but very subtle, so that's good. And then here we have a lanyard hole. So it fits very well in the hand. It's not spring-loaded, but that's fine. So let's take a look at the tools. All the tools are outside accessible. So we have a smooth edge Wharncliffe. Nice edge, but not very sharp. But it's locking. So to unlock, you need to open the tool and then press this. It's not easy to access the tools individually. So the best thing to do is to open everything and just choose the tool that you want to use. So we have an awl. So not very sharp, but it's pointy enough. And it's got a hole for cordage. We have a precision screwdriver, flathead, a seat belt or rope cutter, reasonably sharp, I guess, and a file. So single cut here, cross cut here. Neither are aggressive. And we have some sort of saw here, but it's not aggressive either. On the other side, we do the same. We have a serrated ship's foot blade. So it's not very sharp. A can opener. So it's the push forward kind. And the edge here is sharp enough to be a package opener. This one could have been a flathead screwdriver, but unfortunately it's not. A Phillips head screwdriver. There's a bottle opener. And again, this could have been a flathead screwdriver or a mini pry bar, but it's not. We have the scissors, very tiny, but I think it's reasonably sharp. There's also a rudimentary ruler, so in centimeter scale and inch scale. So it's very basic, but it can help. And there's also a protractor, but I'm not sure how it works. So this is 90 degrees, but there's nothing here that says it's 90 degrees. So maybe it's more of a gimmick. Finally, we have the bit driver. So there's a hex-shaped hole here. And if you open the pliers, there's a magnet there and none on the other side, but there's one here. So you can insert a bit here, close the tool, and then you have a screwdriver. So you just have to grip this firmly, and then you have a screwdriver. You can even put a bit extender, and then you have a series screwdriver. So I guess this makes up for the lack of a flathead screwdriver within the tool itself. So here they are side by side. Definitely the PowerPint is much more compact and much more pocketable. And here are their pliers, so you're actually not giving up too much. Let's weigh it. So it's hard to see, but it's 118 grams or 4.16 ounces. For the wave, it's 240.6 grams or 8.48 ounces. So the PowerPint is half as heavy as the wave. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the SOG PowerPint multi-tool. It's not perfect, but because of its lighter weight and more compact form factor, I will probably carry it around in my pocket more than the wave. Thank you for watching.